That about 53% of visitors abandon a website due to slow loading speeds, causing huge conversions and revenue losses. And according to Forbes, today, 4 times as many consumers would prefer watching videos to understand the product or service than reading. Now answer this, are you still paying hundreds of dollars monthly to old school cloud storage services that are slow and frustrating to deliver your videos, your training, website images, and other marketing files? Hi there, on behalf of Dr. Amit Parikh, Achal Goswami, and Atul Parikh, we have an incredible solution for you to get in on all of this. Together, they have happily sold over 9 million in digital products and have 20 plus years of online business experience. Not only have they made millions of dollars for themselves, but more importantly, they have also helped thousands of people get their desired, profitable business online right from the comfort of their home, with zero prior knowledge and technical skills. And while we don't say this to brag, we do want to make one thing clear. In this digital era, having fast-loading website and buffering-free videos for any business in any niche is not an option anymore. It is mandatory today. And whatever business we do online, be it selling digital products and info products, promoting affiliate offers, providing freelancing services to clients, selling e-com products, selling done-for-you templates, themes, plugins, running paid ads for traffic and lead generation, delivering docs and video training to our customers, selling high-ticket coaching on webinars, writing blogs on any topic in any niche, or anything and everything online, you need to host and deliver tons of marketing files, be it sales videos, demo videos, videos for training, images on websites or landing pages, zip files for product delivery, docs, PDFs, audios, and many other files faster. This is the backbone for every profitable business online. Every successful entrepreneur, both big and small, as well as affiliates and product owners, needs fast delivering cloud services to get that unfair advantage. But the problem is, if you are using old school cloud services that are not built to deliver all types of files and not optimizing your files for multiple devices and internet speed, then you are in trouble. Because as a result, your videos and websites load slowly, causing you a huge loss of traffic, leads, and sales. You lose a ton of hard-earned money with increased bounce rate and poor search engine rankings. And if you are thinking of VPS or shared hosting services, think again. Do not forget that it is a competitive world, and people close all websites, pages, blogs, and mobile apps that load slowly, as time is money. And to solve this problem, are you planning to buy multiple recurring apps? Those that charge heavy monthly fees? Of course, you could always waste money paying for multiple expensive monthly options that charge those big fees month after month, but even then, after spending so much time and money, there is absolutely no guarantee that you will make profits or get the desired return on investment out of it. Well, not anymore. Say goodbye to all that, because you don't have to worry about that. Because after years of learning, planning, coding, debugging, and after 8 months of real user testing with thousands of real users, we are releasing our reliable and robust technology that will not only enhance your conversions, but the viewer's experience as well. Proudly presenting YoDrive, a must-have platform that hosts, manages, and delivers unlimited videos, training, website images, client projects, or any other media files at lightning-fast speed with zero monthly fees ever. Let's take a close look at how it can skyrocket your results and help your business to overcome those challenges now.
It has never been easier to host, manage, and deliver your website, images, sales videos, demo videos, videos for training, and other marketing files to your clients and team members, but with YoDrive it's easy and fast. YoDrive is a must-have solution that replaces multiple old-school, slow-loading, and costly apps with a lightning-fast user experience to run a profitable business online. It supercharges your website speed, play buffering-free HD videos, store, and share marketing files, PDF, etc. for client projects to get more leads, sales, and customer satisfaction in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Upload. Just upload any file, images, videos, audios, documents, etc. from your PC once, and YoDrive optimizes those according to internet speed and makes multiple resolutions for faster delivery on any device. Step 2. Get file, URL, or embed code. Just get a file URL or one line of code to share and publish your file anywhere on the internet, on any page, or on any website. Step 3. Share, publish, and profits. You can share, publish, or access any file wherever you want instantly and start getting more eyeballs and more customers glued to it. No installation, no coding, or other techie stuff. In less than 2 minutes, you can publish your YoDrive images, videos, or any file anywhere on the internet. It's easy, faster, and built with love for anyone who runs an online business. With YoDrive, you can do much more. Host and manage all your files. Any type of videos, video, training, website, images, PDF, docs, audio, zip files, or any other marketing file. Supercharge performance of your own and your clients' websites, landing pages, online shops, or membership sites with ultra-fast loading images and videos. YoDrive delivers them at super fast speed with fast CDN. After all, time is money. To get your audience spellbound and you get more engagement, leads, and sales. Tap into the huge $398 billion e-learning industry. Deliver all your videos, docs, or PDF training on done-for-you sites or doc sharing channels. With YoDrive, you can create your beautiful video training channels and pages to deliver your training fast and secure and impress your customers. Play sales and training videos in HD on any page, site, or member area and dominate video marketing. Generate tons of leads and affiliate sales. Deliver freebies to build a huge list and boost commissions by giving bonuses to your subscribers. You can deliver them all on beautiful doc sharing pages. Sell products online. Deliver digital products, templates, plugins, or any package securely, fast, and easy. Want to deliver client projects? We've got you covered, as you can store all your files with YoDrive and access them from anywhere with unbreakable security. So whatever your goal is, we have a proven solution for you. Just store your files with YoDrive and it will deliver your files with high security 24/7, even while you are sipping your cappuccino, watching your favorite web series on Netflix, shaking your leg on the dance floor, or even watching the Lakers nail their opponents on the court. It has got everything covered. YoDrive is a cut above the rest. It's fast and easy. It's proven and elegant. It's reliable and robust. So with YoDrive, you get everything max. Max storage, max security, max flexibility. Isn't it amazing? But we do not finish here. Always know how you are doing with precise analytics. Know your numbers to improve your marketing campaigns and better results. Share your files on branded file sharing pages. Those are elegant, SEO optimized, and 100% mobile responsive. Share your files privately with your clients, customers, and team members. It comes with an inbuilt contact management system. Access files anytime, anywhere with Business Cloud. Unbreakable file security with SSL and OTP-enabled login. 30 days online backup and file recovery. Single dashboard to manage all business files. No need to buy multiple apps. Manage files effortlessly. Share multiple files. Full text search and file preview. Inbuilt elegant video player with HDR support. A to Z complete video training included. You will get live chat customer support. Lastly, you don't need to spend a single dollar on buying a domain or spending monthly on hosting. Everything runs on our ultra-fast cloud-based platform. Guys, I hope you are thrilled with the premium features I just shared with you.
As I already told you, this is a masterpiece. So what are you waiting for? YoDrive is available for just a one-time price without any limitations. But just for this special charter launch, and after this introductory phase, it's going to get back to its rightful monthly price. But if you act now, you also receive our limited-time commercial license in addition to the one-time pricing. That means that you could use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. This will also give you a massive opportunity to make additional or full-time income each month. Go for this one-time investment that's fully covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee. and grab your complete access to this ultimate platform. Now the clock is ticking here, so click on the button below and get instant access to YoDrive for this one-time low